Hello everyone and welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura and today I will be making blue satin soap. Those are the colors I'll be using. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I make soaps on video and I have a long list of videos on my channel. If you'd like, you can go back and watch those. So here I'm adding lye water to my oils. The oils I use are all vegetable based, so they're vegan friendly. And if you have any suggestions on different types of soaps you'd like to see, different colors or designs or fragrances, let me know and I'll do my best to make some of those videos. And here I'm adding the fragrance in. This one has kind of a spicy fragrance with some musk. It's really nice. It smells really good. And so here I'm just blending it in. And then I'm going to divide this into two different containers with approximately the same amount. And here I'm adding in the first color. And then here's the second color. I'm just going to blend these in to make sure they get mixed in really well. This first one is a purple. And the second color is more of like a silvery tone or a gray. And I'm going to be pouring these into the corner of the mold and alternating the colors, and then after that I'm going to swirl it. If you notice that red mark on the back of my hand, that's from some soap colorant I was working with right before filming this. That's how I got the red on my hand. And now that those are in, I'm going to swirl the soap. And also I like to tap it down. Tapping it down helps get the bubbles out. If there's any bubbles in there, it'll help release them so that there's no bubbles in the soap when it's done. And here I'm just swirling it all the way through. I'm going to go both directions. And then I'm going to put some shiny on top after I clean up this edge. And this is the shinies I'm putting on. It's a type of, it's like a mica. It's very, very sparkly and pretty. Looks really, really nice when it sits on top of the soap. I mixed a little bit into the soap as well. It doesn't come out as clearly. It might be visible when you wash with it, but when the soap is first cut, you don't really see a whole lot of it. So, but I added it anyway because I think it's pretty. So I'm just going to swirl it here. I'm going to go both directions again like I did with the soap. But this time I'm just going across the top and not all the way through. And this is one of my favorite patterns to draw on the soap. So here it is up close before it's set. And this is about a day or so later after the soap is set up. It still needs to cure for several weeks. But here it is. You can see how the colors came through on the sides. And then I'm going to slice this up. And we'll see how it looks on the inside. And here's the piece out of the middle. You see how the colors swirl, they look really pretty. And here's the second piece. And then here's the last one. I really like how these colors work together. And these are little end pieces that I'll cut up later. And here's the pictures at the end. If you like this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. These soaps will be available January 1st in my Etsy shop. I'll leave all the links down below. Thank you for watching and have a great day.